Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best ATV tires on the market right now, the Kenda Mastodon at K3203 tire in size 25x10r12. Whether you're hitting the trails or tackling tough terrains, these tires promise durability and performance. Let's get into why these might be the perfect fit for your ATV. The Kenda Mastodon at K3203 is part of the new Mastodon family, designed to be the do-it-all tire for your UTV or SXS. It features an aggressive, open tread design that excels in mud, offering excellent cleanout performance. With a large contact patch, these tires provide superior traction and durability even on harder packed conditions. Let's break down the specs. These tires come with an 8-ply rating, ensuring they can handle rugged terrain with ease. The tire size is 25 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and fits a 12-inch rim. They're built tough with a tread depth of 0.7 inches, making them versatile for various off-road adventures. Perfect for mud and loose terrain, these tires dig in and keep you moving forward. The 8-ply rating means these tires are built tough to withstand punctures and rough trails. The 25x10r12 dimensions strike a balance between traction, handling, and stability. From muddy trails to rocky paths, these tires perform admirably across the board. The directional tread design ensures efficient cleanout in sticky conditions, while the large contact patch enhances grip on harder surfaces. Whether you're into trail riding or working on rugged terrain, the Mastodon won't let you down. While we don't have customer reviews to share, based on the technical specifications and Kenda's reputation in the industry, these tires are highly regarded for their reliability and performance. They're designed for enthusiasts who demand quality and durability from their ATV tires. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a dependable set of ATV tires, look no further than the Kenda Mastodon at K3203. With its robust construction, versatile performance, and competitive pricing, these tires are a solid choice for any off-road adventure. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you next time.